Oh gosh, this is such a weird angle. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes as well as my sponges. I actually only use one type of cleaner, which is this right here. And this is the Beauty Cleanser Solid, the ultimate makeup sponge and brush cleaner. And this is actually made by the Beauty Blender company. Basically what this is this is the travel size one, but you can get one in a way bigger size. But I love the travel size one because it's just more convenient and compact, and it still lasts me a while too. Basically you open it up and it comes with this little silicone thing here. You can use this actually to either set your beauty blender on to dry, or because it has like raised bumps on it, it makes it kind of better for you to rub your brushes against on it so that you're not having like crinkly hands and fingers from constantly doing it on your hands, especially if you have a lot of brushes to clean. And then this is what the product looks like. So it's basically kind of like a bar of soap essentially inside here, but it's made specifically for your brushes and your beauty blenders. I also have sensitive skin, and I find that even when I use this cleaner to clean my brushes and my makeup sponges, it does not break me out. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly kind of show you the rundown of how I do it. I'm not going to clean every single one of my brushes and sponges on camera because we'd be here for a while. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and adjust you guys and then turn on the water and get started. So to clean my makeup sponges, I'll take my sponge and run it under the water while squeezing at the same time to ensure that the sponge is really absorbing the water in. Then I'll swirl it into the solid cleanser really good, making sure that it's distributed all over the sponge. I'll run it under the water again, this time using scrubbing motions against the palms of my hands to really clean the sponge good. I'll also squeeze out the sponge under the water, and you can really see all the gunk that comes out. I'll continue to repeat these steps until the sponge is clean. You know it's clean when you're squeezing it and it comes out clear instead of that nasty foundation-y color. To clean my makeup brushes, it's a pretty similar process. I'll wet the brush first and then swirl it into the solid cleanser really good. Just like with the makeup sponge, I'll scrub the brush clean on the palm of my hand. This really gets the soap up in there and cleans it throughout. After rinsing it all out, I now have a clean white brush again. Now with my brushes, I don't clean them one by one like I do my makeup sponges. Instead, I'll wet a few of them, swirl them into the cleanser, and then I'll let them sit to really absorb the soap in before rinsing it out. After rinsing it out, I then lay them down on an elevated towel to ensure that the water doesn't seep into the handle. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Super simple and easy. Be sure to show some support and hit that subscribe button before you go. Also, leave a comment of any video ideas you guys would like to see me do next, and I'll see y'all soon. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.